Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Writing Tip of the Week. My name is Julie Stigmeyer, and I work with the GSCP in writing support. Please note that while I work primarily with Irvine and online students, you can always get in touch with writing support by going to this bit.ly at the bottom of the page, no matter what your campus is. This week, we're going to talk about semicolons, and that is this guy. So let's get started. A semicolon has two functions. First of all, it can separate two equal and complete clauses, so complete sentences without a conjunction. This includes adding a semicolon before words like however or therefore. And why use it? Well, the idea is the content is closely related. It can also separate items in a list with commas. So let me show you some examples of these. Here's the first. All members of the family save useless things, semicolon. For example, my sister saves old calendars and bent or rusty nails. Here we have complete sentences before and after the semicolon with a for example in the middle. And here, same thing. The criminal was asking for mercy, however, his victim was pleading for justice. So we have two complete sentences joined together with a semicolon and followed by that word, however. Here are some lists of items. These two groups of lists have commas within them, so it makes it a little confusing, and it's easier if we add some semicolons. So let's practice. I have been to Newcastle, Carlisle, and York in the north, Bristol, Exeter, and Portsmouth in the south, and Cromer, Norwich, and Lincoln in the east. Is this right or wrong? Well, I would say this is wrong. It's confusing because we have lists of items that include commas. So instead, it'd be better to add semicolons here and here. How about this one? It rained heavily in the afternoon, however, we enjoyed the picnic anyhow. This one is great. So we have a semicolon right before that word, however, complete sentences before and after, so it works well. That's all for this week's writing tip. Next week, we're going to talk about when you can't use semicolons, when to avoid them because that wouldn't be grammatically correct. Please get in touch for writing support, and happy writing.